How to log into another account on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook application. So just go to the search bar of the Play Store and search for Facebook. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will land us to the Facebook application. So here we have already logged into one of this account. Now if you want to log into another account, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. You can directly tap on this icon of the arrow down button where you can see the option of log into another account over here. So you can just tap on log into another account and tap on one of these accounts over here. Then tap on login as the another account, and in this way you'll be able to switch or log in to another account on Facebook using the login credentials. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.